Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction, and today I am bringing you a very unexpected but long time coming Fendi unboxing. So I must put out my sincere and very appreciative thanks to the fabulous Connor from the channel The Closet by Connor, because he helped me to get this one. In fact, he enabled me, he negotiated on my behalf, he took receipt and delivered it to me. Could you find more of an enabler if you tried? He even paid for it with his own money because our banking was down and I could not transfer the cash. So if there was someone that wanted me to have the bag more than he did, I would like to meet them. Where do I even start? So this bag and I go back to 2021, and we all know that my Fendi affair really kicked off in 2020. 2021, so many pieces came into my collection. It was quite the kick-off of my love affair with the colour purple, violet, mauve, lavender, violet, the list goes on. This piece was particularly expensive when it first came out. And there were so many other options that it just passed me by. Now, I did my made to order at the beginning of 2021, and it was this bag that inspired me to consider my made to order. Let's just revisit my first Fendi made to order to remind you. When I made the last minute decision to fly to Melbourne to meet Nadia and do my made to order Zoom call with Rome, I really had no idea. I had seen a couple of videos of what was in the Fendi made to order trunk. I had been sent a couple of selections of, different types of materials that I could use, but I really had no idea. I was just thinking iconic peekaboo and baguette. Let me get one of those for you to have a look at as well. So back then, these were the two options that I was considering. I did not want to get a peekaboo because I already had two peekaboos. Interestingly though, both of those peekaboos were white and black respective Celeria style peekaboo iconic minis. Neither of which are still in my collection. This is the only iconic mini peekaboo in my collection, and yeah, it's fuchsia crocodile. Things have changed. In terms of the baguette that I was looking to design was kind of like this, so same style as this one, and I wanted one in a mink colour in this beautiful blush pink all over. This one is astrakhan, not mink, and I wanted a matching kind of pink blush ostrich leather strap and buckle bit. Trim, that's it, trim. And I actually had a quote drawn up for that piece. But it was a bag that I had seen online earlier that day that caused me to check out the menswear section. And in the menswear section, I spotted a Fendi Zucca print mini trunk and medium-sized trunk. And I tried them on. And the best thing about the menswear section is the strap length is fantastic. I'd never seen the hard-sided trunks before. And so I thought, well, I am going to have a go at designing one of those. And not only did I design one, but I ended up bringing it home with me. And it was this mini trunk in ostrich. This mini trunk in the colour orchid pink crocodile trim with this beautiful emerald green beading and emerald Swarovski crystal buckle and the gorgeous ruthenium hardware. This one also comes with a beautiful long pink crocodile strap as well. This was a good year in the making, I would say, which was pretty much what they said, and just an absolute beauty of a bag. And I never went back to the bag that inspired me until recently. I had seen it pop up on a pre-loved consignment store that Connor also watches intently a number of times, but always, just not the highest priority. and I just had other things that I was more interested in. Until Connor sent me the link for the bag he just recently purchased, and I said, I hope you bought that. And he said, I have, and it's on its way to me right now. So I will link his unboxing video below. Then I said, oh, you know that I was looking at a different one of those for a long time, and he said, yeah, and he sent me the link for it that day before he'd even got his. And I'm like, no. Well, I didn't say no. I said something more offensive than no, because I was in a bit of a quandary. Not the perfect time for me to be investing in luxury handbags. And so I said to him, if you can get it for $400 less than asking price, I think I'll take it. And later that evening, he sent me a message and said, does $1,800 work for you? And I was like, yeah, yep. And then I just went quiet for a little while and eventually said, I guess I should transfer you some money. And he's like, do you want it? And I'm like, yes, yes. So after quite a long prelude, let me show you what's inside the box. Here we go. Got all the bits and pieces. Now this one comes with 2 dust bags. It was in pretty much brand new condition. Well, it is in brand new condition when I show you. Look, it's even all wrapped up, and if you've seen Connor's unboxing, you'll know why it is. Oh my God, that scared the bejesus out of me. Slippery little sucker. You'll know why it's wrapped up. May I present to you the Lilac Mini Trunk Baguette from Men's Spring Summer 2021 with stickers still on it. Oh my God. Shall we do it together, guys? Shall we do it together? Oh, actually, they're very, very sticky. Oh, how do we do this? Oh, this is a bit scary. Like, these stickers have obviously been on for a long time. And I am not a big fan of having the stickers, but oh, here we go. All right, let's see. No oxidization. The hardware is still fantastic. Shall we do the other one together so we can properly look at her? They're kind of like folded onto each other, the little corners. Oh, wow. Look at that shine and glisten. Now this is very, very light lilac. Oh my God, there's a sticker on the label too. There we go. Wow. How good is that? Absolutely pristine condition for a bag that's like, you know, approaching 5 years old. So this is the Mini Baguette Trunk Plexi. Something in anemone is the colour, so I'll just pop that there for you to have a look at. And yeah, she's a beautiful, I mean, I love it when you get full set. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, there's another sticker, guys. Let me get it off. I'm going to show you what fits, and I'm going to show it to you next to my made to order. Here we go. Oh, this one's like nice and attached. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's so pristine, it's not funny. Wow. Okay, so inside we've got the gorgeous hinged hardware and also on the outside as well, but you can see how the hinges have been attached and how clean all of the hardware attachments are. Like Connor was saying in his video about the strap being stitched onto, if you can see it there, onto the plexi. So that's 2 very neat little stitches on the inside there. It's so divine. It's a totally different piece, in my opinion, to my made to order one. Oh my God, you've got to be like really mindful of what you put into these plexi bags, because as you know, I've got the Chanel 19 by the Sea sandbag. I'll get that out too. I find this one a neutral because obviously it's black and clear, but I'm very conscious of what I put in it so that it forms part of my outfit and what I wear with it so that it's complementary. And that is why I am wearing this beautiful fluffy jumper today, to bring out the beautiful lilac or anemone tones of this one. So let's have a look at the strap. Now the strap lengths on these particular pieces are so good. The menswear straps, oh look at that. And this strap will come in so handy for a bunch of other pieces that I have, because you know I've got a lot of purple bags. But to be able to wear these bags crossbody so that they don't like rattle around and there's no risk of them falling off your shoulder, because obviously they're very, very delicate little baggies. Oops, I've got the sticker stuck to it. Yeah, you want to make sure it's securely fastened to your body. What can you carry in them? Not very much. Look, and I've done what fits in my other one. So if I was to put my phone in this bag, that would be pretty much all she would carry. Maybe actually we could fit in, what have I got? A Fendi, Versace, what was that called? What was that called? Merida's purchased this for me as a thank you gift. It was, what was the name? Oh, absolute brain fart. What was the name of the collaboration? Fendace, that's the one. God, shame, Dale. I cannot fit a lippy in here with the phone, with the cover on. Can I fit my car fob? If I take the ring off it, I could. Can I fit a little compact mirror? Yes. So phone, mirror, and a card case. As Connor said, my phone won't be in here because it's in my hand most of the time. So I'm going to take the phone out and I will pop in the Fendace card holder like that. I'll put in my Chanel compact mirror. I am also going to add my Tom Ford lipstick, and I will put in my key fob. Let's see. Oh, we've still got room. We can still add things. Let's see if my Hermes Calvi Duo packed to the brim can fit. Wow. Okay, so that fits also. I mean, that's good, right? I don't think I would take 2 card holders though, so I'm going to take out, for the purpose of keeping things interesting, I'm going to take this one out and I'm going to find something else interesting to put in. I've got my Victoria Beckham Portofino 97 perfume. I know I need keys, but I don't have them up here with me, so I can't include those. But that is a cute little vibe, isn't it? I really like the gold with the lilac as well, but there's still a bunch of room. I mean, you could put tissues in. Let's go AirPods. AirPods would be a good idea. So here are my AirPods. Okay, they're a little bit wider than I thought, but they will fit, I think. So pop them in. Yes, AirPods for the win. So, I mean, practical, carries the essentials and more. You won't fit sunglasses in here. You will not fit your phone if you want to put anything else in. But if you wear, like, these bags are great for winter as well. I find when I wear my mini bags the most, because I wear big oversized blazers and so they have lots of pockets in them. Here it is. I will include some mod shots, but totally did not need this bag, but so glad I have it. Yeah, it's I mean, what a special piece to add to my collection. It is, yeah, unexpected, beautiful, and as Connor said, was well over $7,000 original retail price. To pick this up for $1,800, I mean, if now is not the time to be buying pre-loved, I don't know when is. So thanks for joining me for this unexpected and very exciting unboxing, for me anyway. What do you think? It's really nice to be twinning with my good friend Connor, because I love how much he loves Fendi. I love that he was able to find that very special bag after he couldn't do his made to order process for his 30th. And, you know, the fact that he could get it for a bit of a steal, even better. And the fact that he could get one for me for a steal, even better. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for supporting both of us. If you haven't seen his video, go check it out. It's in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to see you back for the next one. Until then, ciao.